Etna volcano eruption update 2.5 days after the previous one, the new SE crater produced yet another phase of lava fountaining, paroxysm, yesterday evening 4 June 2021. It was preceded by a relatively long phase of weak to moderate but intermittent strombolian activity and fluctuating tremor levels. Contrary to most other episodes, the activity had not dropped to low levels after the previous paroxysm but remained moderate. The activity increased rapidly after 1800 hours local time, then passed to lava fountaining at around 1820, which generated an ash plume that rose to approx. 6,500 meters above sea level and drifted SE. Like during the previous paroxysms, a lava flow traveled from the rim of the saddle vent area of the new SE crater towards the SW. The lava fountain ended around 1930 and activity dropped again sharply. However, the lava flow remained weakly alimented for several hours. By midnight, it had reached an elevation of 2,800 meters below the Torre del Filosofo area. The volcano produced yet another lava fountain episode or paroxysm from the new SE crater this morning. 3 days since the previous one, it followed the by now usual pattern. Volcanic tremor began to increase from around 8 a.m., followed by the onset of weak strombolian explosions at the new SE crater's saddle vent from around 9:45. This activity increased slowly first, then very quickly reached the phase of lava fountains at 10:30 local time, generating an eruptive column that rose several kilometers and drifted east-southeast. Ash and small apilli, up to 1.01.5 centimeters, was falling in the northern part of Zaffarana Etnia and in Santa Venerina town. The activity also produced a modest overflow of lava, which traveled southwest. During the phase of maximum intensity, the lava fountains reached heights of 300 to 400 meters. 2 vents were periodically active in the saddle area, as already observed during the eruptive episodes on 28 and 30 May 2021. The lava fountain activity lasted until about 12:40 local time, after when the explosive activity quickly decreased and mostly finished at 12:50. The magnitude of the volcanic tremor showed the usual rather sudden increase at the beginning of the episode and a rapid collapse at the end. During the paroxysm, its source was located under the southeast crater. The infrasonic signals also came from the same crater. Small variations in tilt were recorded, as usual, during the eruptive episodes at the southeast crater. Since the latest lava fountaining phase at the new SE crater early on Sunday 30 May 2021, the volcano has remained more or less calm. The so far latest paroxysm began to announce itself 3:10 local time when volcanic tremor began to rise, followed by the onset of strombolian activity at around 5:45. This activity rapidly increased and turned into lava fountaining by 6:30, which lasted about an hour and produced an ash plume that rose to estimated 6,500 meters altitude. By 7:45, it had ceased. Similar as during the previous episodes, the lava fountaining produced a lava overflow from the rim of the crater towards the SW. Due to bad weather conditions, the event was not very well observed visually.